Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply spot phishing emails in your Gmail app to stop hackers that may want to hack your Google account or your Gmail account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Gmail app. Having opened up your Gmail app, and the next thing you want to do, I'm going to use a particular mail as an example. So what I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and open up the mail. All right, so this particular mail right here, I'm going to use it as an example. First thing first, I'm going to open up the mail. So having opened up the mail, then you have something like this. Now, for you to easily identify a phishing email, Google will give you a stance warning. And one of the warning is written right here. Images in this message are hidden. This image appears suspicious. Don't show the images unless you trust the sender and the messages and the message right here. Now, Google now gives you two options. You can either click on show images or report spam. So out of these two options right here, if you do not trust the sender, never try to show the image. Immediately you click on show image, there is possibility that your Gmail account will be hacked, because the image you show is not an ordinary image. It is of the best to report as a spam. Now, before you can know if an email is a phishing email, you need to check on the sender URL. For that, go ahead and click on here. So here we go. This is the sender URL right here. So how can we check on the sender URL to be sure the mail is a fraudulent or phishing email that attempts to hack our Google account? So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and search for the URL of the particular mail, or search for the domain name of the particular mail on Google. If you find out something meaningful about the URL on Google, it simply means that the mail is genuine. So in this regard, I'm going to go ahead and search for this particular URL on Google. So let's go. So I'm going to exit from my Gmail right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my Google browser. I've opened up Google browser. So let me quickly check on the URL. So the URL is let me quickly check again. adv.click. adv.click. So that is the URL domain name of the mail. So hit on search. Boom. Then if you have something meaningful about the URL, read the details about the URL. Once you get the result, you can go ahead and read detail about the result. If it is something meaningful, then that means the mail is not phishing. However, what I'm getting right here is not related to the mail. However, you can use Google Chrome as an alternative. I'm going to go ahead and completely copy the URL right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight, select all. I'm going to go ahead, highlight, and make sure I copy. And I'm going to exit from here. So this time around, I'm going to click on Chrome, and I'll create a new tab. And I'll paste the same URL right here and hit on search. So we have similar result right here, just like so. Now, one thing here is that you need to do extensive research based on the domain name and the URL of that particular mail. So go ahead and check back the mail and find out that if the message is related to the URL, it simply means that the mail is a genuine mail. However, if the domain name right here, the message you get from the domain name result search is not related to the content of the mail, you'll be very sure that it is a phishing email, and you have to make sure you run for your life if you don't want your Gmail or Google account to get hacked. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.